That's some shit. You never know what you're gonna find when you... That explained all them stupid screws. Oh!
We bought 2 cans of that, white, of that paint.
Yeah.
Might need
Another can or two. At least Walmart's got it.
one more can, because I think we're going to need one more can.
Yeah, at this rate. Let me put it down here. There we go. That explained that piece of metal. I always wondered about that. I have to put the steering wheel back on it to push it.
Oh, yeah.
Fire it up. Pull start it.
Yeah.
Honestly, the sucker would pull start.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, now you got no ignition.
Oh,
Duh. We ain't got nothing. It might be on a... We're going to have to sweep it up good.
yeah, that's probably right.
Like the owner's a couple screws loose.
Well, these things you want to...
Yeah, we'll put a... If you want, if you're going to weld it anymore. If not, we just paint it up good with...
No, I think it went in there, didn't it?
Oh yeah, it went in there tight. Remember?
So I think that's what we want.
Yeah, no, that's what we want is right.
Yeah, so...
Then we'll look for that voltage regulator tomorrow.
Yeah, we can even go to Tractor Supply and yeah, right there where we become the balls.
I bet you that's why it wasn't charging. Because the corrosion on that one piece, I believe that's like the resistor on it.
Yeah, that's probably it.
And them wires. I don't know if I'll clean them up or I'll redo them. These wire connectors. I might just clean them up.
Yeah, I think you just can put some dielectric on it.
Yeah, dielectric grease and all that. I ain't gonna remember how to put it back together anyway. We'll just make it a lawn ornament. That'll go over like a fart in church. Should leave it with the fenders off like an old rat rod. Don't even paint it. Let's just clear coat it. Put a seat on it and there you go. Rat rod. I think I'll be beaten until I'm dead if I did that.
You gonna put the steering back on?
Yeah, it's the only way. You can just, you know what? Just put them clip in that the washer somewhere.
I'll put them right here.
You know what? Put it on top of the plow. Cause then we'll take it. You know, then you don't need them to steer it. So
Jeez.
yeah, that steering wheel's. I'd love to get one, but I wonder how the hell. I should look up a way of fixing that. Cause you know, like putty or you know, like epoxy or something. Cause flip it over and you can see.
Yeah.
At least it's steel.
Under that hole, the ones we got up on the hill got a hole like that.
I wouldn't put a new steering wheel on it anyway. It looked like shit. Yeah.
The only thing you can do is here, heat that. Or heat.
Remember the other one on the other steering wheel on the other Suburban, the donor one? We couldn't get it off though, remember? No, the one out there. You know, the one we got the tranny out of.
Oh, that.
Probably put a film of grease on it or something because with our luck it'll never come off.
Oh, really?
I wiped it off. You know, I used a PB blaster.
Yeah, that's right, because it's tight.
Hey, at least it come off. I mean, 50 years old and it came out.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd say.